So, this is part 2, guys, dun sa nauna kong video. Next is, if ever tapos ka na and marunong ka lang gumawa ng resume, you need to prepare a presentable interview outfit. Meaning, for guys, polo or clean shirt, tapos pants. Wag po kayong magsushorts, wag po kayong magpapajama, wag po kayong kung ano-anong mga anik-anik dyan na parang hindi pleasing tignan. Okay, look presentable. Okay, next is be clean from head to toe. Maligo naman kayo, mag-deodorant din kayo. Okay, para naman sa vibes pa lang, bet ka na agad ng interviewer. Okay, na ay papasa to kasi ang presentable niya, clean look siya. Kasi kapag mabaho ka, ewan ko na lang. Okay, next is prepare money, umbrella in case na mainit during your job hunting, then slippers in case na umulan, tapos nakasapatos ka, ganun. Then water, food for the one-day hiring process. Literal talaga yan, na one-day hiring process talaga yan, literal, as in, mas matagal yung hintayan kaysa sa process na pausog ka, hindi yan direkta agad, hindi talaga, maghihintay ka kasi madami kayong mag-a-apply. Okay? Next is have patience and self-confidence. Be friendly, speak up and ask. You really need to speak up. Okay? If ever na hindi ka nagsispeak up, paano mo malalaman yung mga interview questions? Uy, okay? Magtanong ka sa mga co-applicants mo na nauna na, uy, ano yung naunang interview, mahirap ba yung mga interview questions, ganun. Magtanong ka, be friendly kasi malay mo, yung kasama mong nag-apply, maging ka-wave-mate mo yan or ka-teammate mo. Diba? At least doon pa lang, meron na kayong pinagsamahan. Ganun. Next is watch content creators that has BPO niche videos or post in any social media platforms, just like me, na nagsashare ng tips, or pwede din kayong maghanap ng iba pang much better na BPO content creators. Okay? Marami yan sa social media, guys. Next is practice answering on your own words. Use AI prompts for interview questions and have your own answers. Do not copy answers in social media. Memorizing will really not work, guys. Wag scripted. Okay? Meron ako sa collection, guys, na I shared on how I practiced with CC. CC is like parang girl version ni ChatGPT. I know wala naman gender yung ChatGPT, pero ang logo kasi ni CC is babae, so she. Pero it's just an it kasi wala naman ng life. So si CC kasi is pwede kang nagkaroon ng AI chatbot, ganon. Tapos gawas mo lang siya ng prompt na, okay, CC, kindly pretend that you are the interviewer of this company, then I will be the applicant, and then I'm gonna answer. Then after we do the Q&A is analyze my answers if it is good or what are the things na kailangan ko i-improve. As in, CC can really do it, guys. As in, nagulat lang ko, like, wow. Hindi mo na kailangan ng kaibigan. Hindi mo na kailangan ng kaibigan na mag-simulation kayo na tawag dito, na mag Q&A or interview, then answer. Ganon. Kasi andyan na yung mga AI, guys. And sometimes, kasi kapag kaibigan mo, ang mangyayari, magchichikahan lang kayo, kakain, ganon. So, walang mangyayari. So, much better if AI. Kasi mag-focus ka, ganon. Then next is be prepared with out-of-the-box questions, guys. Literal talaga yan. Merong mga out-of-the-box questions. And ang technique ko na dyan, kapag out-of-the-box questions is out-of-the-box answers din yung isagot nyo. Pero gandahan nyo naman yung sagot. Okay? Then choose the BPO company that is near your location, gives good compensation, benefits, incentives, good working environment. Related yan dito, guys. Doon kayo makakakuha ng mga good company sa mga BPO content creators na nag-a-advise na dito na company na to, ito maganda dito kasi dito ako nakapag-work, may ganito, ganyan. Doon kayo makakakuha din sa kanila ng hint if yung BPO na ina-applyan mo is maganda o hindi. Next is enhanced typing assessments through practice. Dapat talaga guys, meron kayong laptop or practice kayo sa internet shop if gusto nyo doon. But I highly suggest, manghiram kayo ng laptop sa mga friends nyo, ganun-ganun. Kasi, basta pa-practice nyo and dito nyo yan makikita guys. Yan pwede kayo mag-practice dito, typing test. Yan. Yan, dyan kayo mag-practice. Tapos start test. Ganyan siya guys. Start test kayo. 30-second typing test. Diyan, maglo-loading yan. Diyan. Although, tapos yan, start na yung time dyan. Ganon. Para malaman nyo yung words per minute nyo. Ganon. And don't be afraid, guys, na, ay, drop out lang po ako sa school. Hindi naman po ako college. Well, marami akong kilalang mga hindi pa nakapagtapos ng trabaho. Pero, team leader na, tenured na sa isang BPO company. Yung iba naman is hindi nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral kasi meron ng family, ganun, or sinusuportaan yung family, pinapauna mo ng makapagtapos ng trabaho ang kapatid, or yung bunsong kapatid, ganun, pero they are very, very good. Okay? Huwag niyong ibase sa diploma yung chance nyo na makapag-work sa BPO. Kasi, minsan, yung mga taong desidido talaga mag-work or merong drive na, merong goal na gusto kong tulungan sila mama at papa, ganun. Sila pa talaga yung magiging successful kaysa dun sa mga taong college graduate, ganun. Yung complacent na, ay, college graduate naman ako, I can get what I want, ganun. Or, mapapasa ko yung college graduate naman ako, Huwag ganun. Even though hindi ka college graduate or nag-stop ka sa school for the meantime, okay, kayang-kaya mo yan. Don't look down on yourself. You are good. You just need to enhance more skills. I-engage mo yung skills mo through talking. And how can you engage that one if yung kausap mo is pure Tagalog din? O i-engage mo through the customer. Yung customer is, let's say, international account yung makukuha mo. O international din ng mga customer. O at least matutunan mo, ito pala yung mga terms na ginagamit niya. Tapos, mawawiden yung vocabulary nyo, mawawiden yung pronunciation skills nyo. Ganito pala yung pag-pronounce ng word na ganito. Ganito pala gamitin yung phrase na to. Ganon. So, don't be afraid. Step up and then please see BPO na BPO is for everyone. Wala pong discrimination sa BPO. Kasi if you know Kuya Rani Boy, he told in his YouTube video na yung niya is yung work niya dati is construction worker. O diba? Tapos, syempre, doon pa lang, masasabi mo, kapos din pala sa pera si Kuya Reno Boy. Pero look at where he is right now. O, diba? Nag-step up siya. Hindi niya hinayaan na ganun lang yung buhay niya. Kaya ikaw din, huwag mong hayaan. Okay? Even though hindi ka college graduate or nag-stop ka sa school, you can do it. You deserve that job. Okay? You can enhance your skill. Nandyan yung mga training, nandyan yung TN, coaching ka, keep coaching na parang yaw-yaw na lang. But still, meron ka pa rin makukuha dun. Always, just like what Miss Catriona said, right? Always see the silver lining of things. Okay, kaya mo yan. Go mo lang yan, B. Eto na yung sign mo talaga. Go mo na yan. Mag-apply ka na.